Good morning, guys. I hope you're all doing well. I'm just out with Bruno this morning and he's going to the toilet because we are going to Nina in Tipperary where they have like a sauna and a coffee shed right beside a lake, which is really cool. So we're going to go and check that out. So I'm going to try bring you along with me. Where's the duckies? Get the duckies. So we just passed the sauna where it overlooks the lake. We parked the car and we brought Bruno for a walk around the lake so he could go toilet, and then we walked around for a good walk. We got, I think, about 5,000 steps, and then he waited in the car for us. But it was kind of a dullish morning. It wasn't great, but it did dry up and cleared. The mountains cleared and everything. You can see the mountains, but right now you can't see much at all because of the clouds. There was a cool B&B here, and then when you walk around the corner there's the castle of Dromineer, and then there's also a harbour to the other side, but we couldn't actually get to the harbour. It was behind the B&B, but we could only get to the side here. But there was gates and they were closed, so we're not sure if we're allowed in there or not.
What was the point in walking through there?
It could be private.
I'm trying to film him.
There seemed to be some pub there called the Whiskey Still, I think. And then it was so funny, the boyfriend was like pointing in at this house and there was people looking out at us. He was like, it's a B&B as well, and people were looking out. So funny. And then on the lake they actually do water sports, which is quite cool. It wasn't up when we were there, but it must be like a seasonal thing. It didn't seem to be open when we were there. We were there on a Sunday, so it's probably out of season now. It could be just there during summer, I'm not too sure. We had some more time to kill, so we went to the playground and checked out what we could use to work out basically. The boyfriend was checking all different ways and I was just doing pull-ups and chin-ups. we brought Bruno to the lake to get a drink one last time before getting into the car, and then we headed to the sauna. So excited I was for this and nervous, didn't know what to expect. So you have changing rooms here, and you have an area where you can leave your stuff. These are showers. So you get changed into your swimming togs, you bring your sliders, you wet your feet, and then you go into the sauna, enjoy, and then you come out and cross the road and go to the lake. You can jump in just at the end of the pier here. I cannot swim, guys, so I have to walk in and just do a little dip and put my arms around as if I'm swimming and then get back out, which is unfortunate, but I will learn at some stage in my life. But yeah, this is the fun of it. And then Bruno is just over there having a gawk at us. We went in and out of the sauna about 3 or 4 times and then headed home. I highly recommend, if there's anything like this, a short drive away from you or even an hour away, definitely get in the car and go. You feel amazing after it. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Please subscribe for the next video. Thank you. Namaste. Hope you have a lovely day.